Morning, you guys. I have just one little charge nurse shift, so let's drive to work together. You know, it's unfortunate. I already recorded this whole thing, but I didn't actually record it because I didn't hit the record button. You can probably hear it in my voice. I am on the tail end of a cold. I'm feeling much better symptom-wise, but I'll still be wearing a mask today just to, you know, be careful and not spread all the germs. And I also slept so bad last night, and it wasn't from being sick. I think honestly what it was, I know what it was, is I took a fat nap yesterday. I never take naps, and every time I do, it always backfires, and I have such a hard time getting good rest that following night. So here I am, headed into a 12-hour shift when I definitely could have used a little more rest, but such is life sometimes. It's actually starting to rain a little bit, and I was thinking, whenever it rains here, it doesn't rain that often in Arizona, but it does rain a little bit more during the summertime, which is nice for us. But every time it rains, two things always pop in my head when I'm working. One is I'm bummed because I can't watch the rain from the hospital because it's not the same as watching the rain from the comfort of your couch at home. And two, rain in Arizona makes people forget how to drive, which means car accidents. So I was thinking, is there something in the area that you live in that when this happens, you know, you can anticipate a change in your hospital census? I don't know if this is a proven fact. I just feel like when it rains, it pours, and we'll see more and more patients. I guess that is I don't want to say perks, but one of the things about working at a level 1 trauma hospital is anything that increases the risk of traumas, we're gonna see it. So you'll have to let me know, comment in the comments below where you live, and if there's something that happens in your area, and when that happens, you know, okay, be prepared, I'm gonna see more patients today. Okay, I'm at work. I hope I have a really good day. I'm just fingers crossed that I have a smooth day because I just am tired today. But I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in my next video.